Hello everyone! It's a nice day today. It's our 17th year anniversary, and because it's COVID-19, we're just celebrating a simple grill. We grilled pork and burger, beef, and a chicken. So this is our simple celebration for our 17th year anniversary. I hope you stay watching. We have to marinate the pork. We need to put soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and onion, and salt. I have another plastic here, different kind. So, and I put soy sauce and magic syrup, and then I marinated this since last night, so it will soak the sauce more, and it will taste delicious. So now we're grilling. We have pork belly, and we have chicken breast, and we have the beef for burger. We just put a charcoal, and we started a fire. And then we need to watch because it might burn easy because the fire is so fast. Okay, here we live here in the top of the mountain. See the beautiful mountains there, and I have my two company here, my aunt Berling and Pearly Rose, and we're crying here because the smoke goes to our eyes. So, but it will worth it after we're done grilling because we will be filled with lots of food. We will show you later how we're gonna put our food, because we cut banana leaves, and we call it BOODLE fight. So we will eat with the banana leaves in the table. The grill in America it's kind of like a stove. It's a gas stove. There's no charcoal, they just have a fire, and you need to cover it with they have like a grill, what do you call that? Grill stove. And it's kind of the same taste, but I think charcoal is, the live charcoal is more tastier. People like charcoal. This one is the real charcoal because it will dissolve. Their charcoal there doesn't dissolve because it's electricity or used by the gas. Okay, we're just almost done. We just flip it over so that the other side will not burn a lot or too much. We still have more batches to put up in the grill, but we need to watch all the time so that doesn't get burned. And it looks delicious. This is the grilling that I missed in America. There's no grill like this. It's not fancy. It's just made of a string and a metal, and you put the charcoal in it, or you can put in the floor the charcoal, and then you put the screen, and then here you go. You can grill your own meat. My husband is here, and this is his plan to have a grill outside the house here in the mountain.
Just to go somewhere different.
And he likes barbecue chicken, barbecue pork, barbecue burger, beef burger.
Good.
Delicious.
Delicious.
See? That means we're a good cook. He said it's delicious. Okay guys, we'll see you when we eat later. We'll need to cook this first. This is my preparation for our 17th wedding anniversary. So we just have a simple, we have spaghetti, we have gulaman, and we have rice and egg rolls and shrimps. And I have the cassava cake. So we will put the rice here, and then the grilled pork, grilled chicken side. Oh, my mom is helping me for boodle fight. Putting some rice.
Also, hello guys, what's up? So right now guys, we're preparing for to have a boodle fight with the family right now. So my grandmother, Lola Lee, and the other members of the family are also helping for this simple celebration. And Kain is right there.
What's up, partner?
Okay, this is our preparation. Let's go eat.
Let's eat the good food.
Come on, let's eat. Happy anniversary, Bryce and Hazel.
Thank you.
Everybody, let's get fat.
They already back, but it gave batter.